We just learned common potential uh, when two capacitors are connected in parallel after sharing of the charges. What common potential is attained, and the expression was V was equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. Fine, they were in parallel. One thing I forgot to tell, if they are connected in series. If both are connected in series, the common potential would be C1 V1 minus C2 V2 by divided by C1 plus C2. Okay. It's important for JEE main in India. Now, loss of energy in sharing of charges. Loss of energy in sharing of charges. Let C1 is equal to capacitance of the first capacitor, which is charged individually to a potential V1, and the second capacitor having a capacitance C2 is charged to a potential V2. C1, C2 we know constants. Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor was C was equal to epsilon naught A by D, where A was the area of the plate being a constant, D the distance between the plates being a constant, therefore C is a constant. Now, the common potential we had just derived, V is equal to this, that is same thing as this in the previous lecture. Now, and the energy equation we know for a capacitor, energy is equal to half CV square from my previous lectures. So using this, the energy of the first one is half C1 V1 square using this. Energy of the second one is half C2 V2 square. That is before sharing. Now they are connected. Before connected, so the total energy will be this energy plus this energy. That is equal to this plus this. You can't say negative energy, just a quantity, therefore both are added, this plus this. Similarly, the total energy after sharing the common potential is equal to this. So the total energy after sharing will be half C1 plus C2, they are connected in parallel, into the common potential square, where V is the common potential, this much. Now, the rest is in the next page. I'm just giving it to you. Now, let the camera get focused. Now, we do not know if the value in expression 2 is more than the value of expression in 3. I refer to the previous page, that is, we don't know whether this is more or this is more. If we subtract, if you do a subtraction, this minus this, and this comes out to be positive, then you will say this is more than this. Let us do that. So let us subtract the expression 3 from expression 2. From here to here is expression 2, and from here to here is expression 3. That was in the previous page. This same thing as this same thing as this is the same thing as this. I put the value of common potential here, and this is the square of it. Now same thing as this, same thing as this, same thing as this. Square of the numerator divided by the square of the denominator, C1 plus C2, C1 plus C2 squared here cancels. So we are left same thing as this. I have just written 2 in the denominator for better understanding, written 2 in the denominator. So we are left with 2 C1 C2 in the denominator. This is the numerator. Now I take LCM of this and this, 2 times C1 plus C2. So this divided by this, we are left with C1 plus C2. So that is multiplied here. This divided by this, we are left with C1 plus C2, and that is therefore multiplied with this here, and this divided by this, we are left with 1. 1 multiplied by this gives you the same thing as here. Fine. Now let us open this. It is the square of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Square of this 2 times this into this. But before that there is a negative sign, so the sign has to change when we open this bracket. So this is the expression, this is the denominator, this cancels with this, this cancels with this cancels with this. So I am taking common C1 C2 here, C1 C2 here, C1 C2 here. I am taking common C1 C2, so I am left with V1 square. I am left with V2 square from here, and from here I am left with V1 V2. So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is equal to V1 minus V2 whole squared. Now look at this quantity. This is positive, this is positive, this is positive, this thing is also positive. This is a square term, and we know a square term is always positive. Whether you have a negative number or a positive number, when squared it is a positive quantity. So the conclusion is the value of expression in 2, that was in the previous page, is greater than the value of the expression in 3, that is the energy. Before sharing was more and after sharing is less, so there is a loss of energy. This lost energy is dissipated in the form of heat. Thank you.